Hello student, we are studying about the integers. So today we have to solve some questions on the topic integers. Question number first is find the product of following. Minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 15 into minus 20. B minus 2 into minus 4 into 0 into 6. C minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 5. D. Question number 2. Find the value of 9 into 19 plus 9 into minus 9. 187 into 37 plus under bracket minus 87 into 37. C 20 into under bracket minus 16 plus 20 into minus 4. D 87 99 in minus under bracket minus 87. You have to solve these questions today. So we start to solve it from question A. Question one में A minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 15 into minus 20. Solution. Solution. Here minus 5 into minus 10 into minus 15 into minus 20. When we multiply of integers, first of all we have to see the number of negative signs. Here minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. If we count, we find that there are 4 negative signs. So if in multiplication the number of negative sign is even. Here 1 minus sign 1 2 3 4. 4 means even. यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि जो निगेटिव साइन है माइनस साइन में कितना है 1 2 3 4. 4 means even. When in the multiplication number of minus sign is even, then the sign of product is positive. अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं इंटीजर का, उसमें नेगेटिव साइन माइनस साइन अगर इवन नंबर में है तो प्रोडक्ट का जो साइन होगा वो प्लस होगा. तो इवन है इसलिए साइन क्या होगा प्लस. तो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 इवन नंबर है इसलिए प्लस साइन होगा प्लस. नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई द इंटीजर्स 5 into 10 into 15 into 20. 5 10 जा 50. 50 into 15 50 into 15 15 0 0 15 5 जा 75 into 20 0 2 0 0 2 5 जा 10 2 7 जा 41 50. So plus 15000 15,000. So you can write 15,000. So this will be the answer of if we do not write the positive sign, plus sign before any integer that is considered positive. This will be answer. This is your answer. 15,000 is your answer. Negative sign is negative because in the multiplication number of negative integer, number of negative sign is even. When the number of negative sign is even number, यदि नेगेटिव साइन का जो नंबर है वो इवन है तो प्लस रहेगा, यदि ओड है तो माइनस रहेगा. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन ए of question first. So we solve the second option, option B. Option D is minus 2 into minus 4 into 0 into 6. Solution. Solution minus 2 into minus 4 into 0 into 6. Here we see that negative sign. Negative sign क्या है? Even 1, 2, 3. There is no sign of 0. So 1, 2. Negative sign 2 है. So the sign of this product will be plus. So we write plus. Now multiply the integers. 2 into 4 into 0 into 6. 2 4 ja 8. 8 0. 0 multiply anything is equal to 0. 2 4 ja 8, 8 0 0, 0 6 ja 0. So answer is 0. Because we know that 0 multiply anything is equal to 0. So the answer of this is 0. Next option number C. Minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 5. Solution. Minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 5. First of all, we have to multiply the sign. Here 1, 2, 3 plus minus sign. Minus sign is odd. If the sign minus sign is odd number, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus sign, minus जो sign है वो odd है, odd मतलब 3 है. If the number of negative sign, the number of minus sign in multiplication is odd, then the sign of product is negative. So इसका जो product का जो sign होगा वो negative होगा, means minus, because sign minus sign odd है, 3 है, 3 is odd number, so sign will be negative. Now multiply the integer. 1 into 3 into 5. 1 3 ja 3, 3 5 ja 50. Minus 50. This is the answer of option C. In any questions, first of all you have to multiply the sign. If number of sign is odd, negative sign is odd, the sign of product is minus. If the number of negative sign is even, the sign of product is plus. So this is very important for you that you have to take care about the sign. First, and always remember that if the number of negative sign is even, then the sign of product will be positive, and if the number of negative sign is odd, then the sign of product will be negative. So start the question number second. Question number second, A. Find the value of, here you have to find the value. 9 into 19 plus 9 into minus 9. Solution. All of us have studied about the closure property, commutative property, associative property in integer called under addition and under multiplication and under subtraction. So using those properties you can solve many questions easily. So apply here. 9 into 1. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So 9 both are common in this. 9 into 19 plus 9 into 9. There are two terms here. In both terms 9 is common. So take common. 9 into 19 plus 9 into minus 9. So take common 9. Take common 9 in both. 9 कॉमन है तो अंदर क्या बचा 90 प्लस यहाँ माइनस 9. This is the multiplication over addition. Solve 9 into 19. Multiplication of plus and minus is 9. 9 into subtract 9 from 19, you get 10. Now product of 9 is 9. This is answer. 90 is answer. 9 is common, so we take common 9 and here 90 plus and the bracket minus 9. We open the bracket, plus product of plus and minus is minus 9. Out 9 from 90 we get 10. 10 9 is 90. This is your answer. Now take the B. 187 into 37 plus minus 87 into 37. Solution. Here we see that 187 into 37 plus minus 87 into 37. 37 is common in both terms. In first term 37 and second term also 37. So we can take common of 37. 187 into 37 plus minus 87 into 37. Take the common 37. Take out from bracket 37 under bracket 187 plus under bracket minus 87. So this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So solve 37 into 187. When we open the bracket, we get minus because multiplication of opposite sign is negative. 87. 37 into, now out 87 from 187. 7 out 7 from 7 we get 0. 0. 8 from 8 0. 1. So we have to multiply 37 to 37 700. This is your answer. You can start it easily because these questions are very easy. Now start the question number second, option C. C is 20 into minus 16 plus 20 into minus 4. So 20 into minus 16 plus 20 into minus 4. Here we see that 20 is common in both. So take out from these two terms 20. 20 into minus 60 plus minus 4. Now solve 20 into minus 60 plus minus, when you open the bracket, minus 4. When we add and sign are both integers same, so we write same sign. 20 into minus, add both 20. Now 20 into minus 20, we get minus, the product of opposite side is negative, minus 22 is 40. 400 is the answer. This is answer of question number second C. Next, option D. D is 87 into 99 minus 87. Now start with 87 into 99 minus 87. 87 into 99. Here we have to open the bracket. So product of same sign, minus and minus will be positive, plus 87. You can write 87 into 1. Because when we multiply by any integer with 1, we get 1. We multiply by with any integer by 1, we get that integer. So take common 87. 99 plus 1. So 87 into 99 plus 1, 100. We have to multiply 8,700. This is your answer. So all of us solve question in the topic integer. Now you can solve many questions like this from your exercise. These are very simple, and if you watch this video, you will be able to understand these easily. So thanks for today, and we see in next video. Thanks.